Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the auto power saving mode during bedtime. So for this, you'll need an application called Good Guardian, which is available on your Galaxy Store. So head over to the Galaxy Store and download the Good Guardian application. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you need to enable the bedtime power saving mode in Battery Guardian. So your phone will automatically reduce background processes, turn off 5G, and will dim the screen during your set hours of your sleep at night. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Guardian application. Now from here, find Battery Guardian. And now here, you want to go ahead and find the settings where it says power saving during bedtime. So this will extend your battery life by automatically optimizing and limit performance during the sleep hours. Switch this on and go ahead and set what time to start and what time to end. So this is preferably your sleeping hours. So what time you go to sleep and what time you get up. Once done, press done. So after you've turned this feature on, the benefit is that it saves battery overnight, gives your device a performance break, so when you wake up, your phone is well rested. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the auto power saving mode during bedtime on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.